In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Shopify billing card, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have your new payment card saved in Shopify, so your subscription and app charges continue without interruption. Make sure you have the new card ready along with the correct billing address that your bank has on file. Start by going to Shopify in your web browser and signing into your store's admin. If you manage multiple stores, double check that you're in the correct one because billing details are set per store. Once you're in the admin, look to the lower left corner and open settings. This is where all your store-wide configurations live, including your invoices and payment methods. Inside settings, select billing. Depending on your region or interface updates, you might see plans and billing, or just billing. Either way, you want the section that lists your invoices and payment methods. Give the page a moment to load so all current payment details appear. In the payment methods section, choose add a payment method. Even if you're replacing an old card, Shopify typically has you add the new one first. This avoids downtime and lets you switch over cleanly. You should see your existing card on file if you have one, but we'll focus on adding the new details. Next, select a payment method. Most merchants will choose a credit or debit card, though options can vary by country. If you're using a corporate card, confirm with your finance team that it's approved for recurring online charges. If you use a personal card, ensure it's authorized for international transactions. If your billing currency differs from your bank's, now enter your new card details carefully. Type the card number, the name exactly as it appears on the card, the expiration date, and the security code. Then enter the billing address. This must match what your card issuer has on file, street, postal code, and country, so your bank's fraud checks pass. If there's an option to set this card as the primary or default payment method, turn that on so Shopify uses it for your next invoice. Take a moment to review for typos. Even a single wrong digit can cause a decline. When everything looks correct, click Save Card. You may be asked to complete a quick verification like a one-time authentication step, depending on your bank. After saving, confirm the new card appears in the list and is marked as the default. That's it. Your Shopify billing will use the new card going forward. If you found this helpful, keep your billing info up to date to avoid any service interruptions, and you'll be all set for upcoming renewals.